All right, good morning. Good morning. It's a beautiful morning here in Manila. Oh, it's not raining. It's been raining for the last 3 weeks, but the last 2 days we have had beautiful sunshine, and at least I think the weather is back to normal. Today, I want to eat some fish, and I want to take you along, show you where I do my shopping out here as a foreigner living in the Philippines. All right, so come with me. I'm going to take you there. It's early. It's about 6 a.m. and usually if I want to get the best stuff, I should go there by 5, because already there are people who have already gone there before me, and well, let's see if I'm going to still get the best fish this morning at this time. All right, so actually here in Kainta Rizal, if you want to get some very good food stuff, you can go across to Pasig or to Pasig Palenque, or just at the roadside we have a lot of places whereby, or roadside markets, that you can buy whatever you need. That's the good thing about the Philippines. You can literally leave the house, get across the road, and get all you need to prepare a very good home cooked meal. So today I want to eat some fish, so come along with me. Let's see what we can get. Like and subscribe, share the video, leave a comment, let me know where you're watching from. It's a beautiful morning out here. 6 a.m. in the morning. Places are bright and clear. I'm late already. I was supposed to be out by 5 a.m. Rush out to the market and get some fish. I really wanted to eat some fish this morning. Not really this morning, but today, later when I come back from church. Usually if I want to get the best, I go as early as 5 a.m. in the morning. So it's 6 a.m. I'm sure that there are people who have already gotten the best. But let's see what we can get. Alright, so today I want to eat some fish, and I noticed that the few videos that I've uploaded so far, the most performing or the best performing videos that I've had have been food videos. My first video to reach 400 views was a short street food video that I did, and within a very few days it was at 300 views. I'm like, oh wow. And then I did a second video, trying out some of my top 3 Filipino street foods, and that video is currently at 800 and something views. So I'm thinking, when I post this one, if it gets above 500 views, maybe I'll do another video showing you cooking my favorite Filipino dish. How about that? So let's give this one some likes, leave a comment if that's what you want to see next, and we'll get it done. Yeah, so living out here as a foreigner, I've learned to adapt to the food. I enjoy Filipino food a lot, so even the fish that I'm going to buy, it's going to be a Filipino dish, but for now it's a secret, huh? Yes, you only get to see that if you're interested to see me prepare it. And I think that should be my next video, but I would like to see the response to this one. So if you want to see me prepare a local Filipino dish, like and share this video, leave a comment, propose, suggest to me what you want to see me cook, and then we'll do it in our next video. But right now, at the moment, let's go get a fish or more. I live alone, so I don't need so much. Uh, let's go see what we can get out here in San Andres, Cainta, Rizal. Good morning once again. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend. Okay, let's go. 7-Eleven. So if I want to buy some chicken or beef, this is where I'll come to. But today we are on a hunt for fish. So I'm going to go a little bit further up the road or up the street so that I can see what I'm looking for. If I'm lucky, I can still get the best. But at this time at 6 a.m. There are people who would have been there by 5. So I'm wondering what they're trying to construct here, but it looks like a bridge. Yeah, this should be a bridge under construction. This street is Floodway. It's called Floodway, or the East Bank Road. East Bank Road, Cainta. Because this is the east bank of the Pasig River. So behind these buildings, there's the Pasig River. The other side of the river is called the West Bank Road. So a little bit of information there for you. See? People line up already to get the fish. Oh. I don't want to get tilapia. This is tilapia. This is bangus. They're still unboxing it. Let me check out this other spot and see what I can get from here. So yeah, this is usually my favorite. Pampano. Let's see what else they got. Okay. I think I'm gonna get a salmon head. have a good salmon. Can you weigh that? Let me see how much it is. 239. All right. 239. So I decided to get the salmon head. Just because I really didn't find the kind of fish that I wanted, but it tastes good. So we decided to I decided to go with the salmon head. It's quite big actually. It's very delicious. There's a way I usually grill it. So like I said, two of my best performing videos have been food videos. So I would like to do a cooking video. I would like to get, you know. Alright. I think it's ready. Alright, thank you. That's my salmon head. It was around 230. So I think I got what I really wanted to get today. I don't want to go into other stuff. Sometimes I love to get some squid, but it will not really fit into what I want to prepare later. So let's stick to the salmon head. So like I said before, if you want to get the best fish on these roadside markets, you have to be there as early as possible. Yeah. Usually even they have the best tilapia, but today, since it was 6 a.m., you know, most of the tilapia has already been bought. You will not get the best, you will not get the big ones. Yeah. And when I really want to eat fish, I get the big one. And I don't want to get 5 small fishes, no. I want to get the big one. I get 2 of them or 3. Yeah. And we're good. Super loud. Hello, good morning. So like and subscribe. I'm going to go home and cook this. No, but later when I get back from church. However, like I said, I would like to do a lot more food videos, just because I have seen a good response to them. 2 of my best performing videos have been food videos, and I'm thinking, what's the best way for me to follow up on that? So I would like to do a cooking video. I would like to prepare my favorite Filipino dish, but I need you to comment. So much noise. I'll need you to comment on the video, like the video. If you get like 100 likes, which would be a lot for a young channel or a channel with less than 100 subscribers. But yeah, if you get 100 likes, 25 comments, I am going to cook whatever the top comment says. That's a challenge. But for now, I'm going to end this video here. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Have a blessed weekend.